Hello, Paul.
Hello there, Dee. We're going to be doing another workshop on Monday, another channeling workshop.
Yeah.
We've done a few channeling workshops now, and I guess many people from Soul Pathways have witnessed you channeling, haven't they?
Yeah. Healing circles.
But of course, it's something which you can all learn to do because we all have spiritual guides working with us. And the act of channeling, it's a very precise process where you can actually come close to that loving spiritual guide who is there to protect you and support you on your spiritual path. And you can actually then allow your guide to enter into your consciousness somewhat and you move to one side. So the consciousness of your guide can actually then speak through you. And that's what we say is channeling. And it's something you can learn, and it's a very beneficial thing to learn because when you're able to do this, it helps to open you spiritually, and it helps also through that act of surrender to align yourself more fully with spirit and to allow teachings from beyond, the voices beyond, to come through you. What do you think, Dee?
Yeah, I think that this particular workshop is really good, not just for members of our community who have actually done channeling workshops and actually maybe, done a couple of sessions on their own, but it's also for people who have never done it before and who want to witness all the levels of openness that you can have, because it's very much like a muscle. The more you actually open and open and open, you actually surprise yourself and how your abilities, and it really is an exercise of trust. And in this particular context, it's very, very visionary. It's all about messages for the year ahead, which is very exciting.
Yes, and we very much also want to support people that might have done channeling workshops with us before or who are able to do that to come and join us because it's like a new year practice to get that muscle in order so your connection with spirit can be really open and functioning well. So this will be a chance for you to do that. I mean, the workshop itself will be graduated and supporting you step by step to get to that point where you are able to channel. We'll be teaching you and supporting you every step of the way. We'll have sharings, but it will be very much practical and engaging you in the experience of doing it. And so at the end, of course, there will be a chance for each of you that are part of the group, if you feel ready to step forward and to do some channeling, and I'll be supporting you as you go through that.
Yeah, and the beautiful thing is that you're able to witness the messages of other guides and other beings, and to see how at the very end, spirit like us is full of varied love and thoughts, and it's a really beautiful session. So we really hope that you'd come. We actually have lowered the price for this particular session to just $30 or £15 or euros, just because we want to actually make this viable for as many people as possible, because we think this work is quite important, isn't it, Paul?
Yes, we think so. Of course, we will also be limiting the numbers so that we're not
Yes,
going to squash it too much so that everyone that comes along can get the attention they need.
that's
So,
right.
yeah, so hopefully, as long as you don't delay too much, you'll get a place.
Let's see, we're about half capacity now, so book now. It's on this Monday, the 4th of January, so 7 p.m. Australian Eastern Time. And for our friends in the UK, that's Monday at 8 a.m.
Yeah, it's always an early start for you in the UK, sadly, but I think it's good to do this work in the morning. So
Mm,
hopefully, if any of you are really wanting to do it, you can come along and get a lot from it.
okay, go well.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.